Hello everyone, so let's continue. So the next task is to enable and configure the firewall to allow only custom SSH port, that is 2222. So coming back here, so this time we have to select the role, that is firewall underscore config, this one. Let me go inside and here we have the task. In the task we have the main.yml file. So I have already written this configuration file. Let me copy and paste. So let me explain you what exactly this configuration file is doing. So there are three tasks. The first task is to install UFW firewall package if it is not available on the system. So it is using apt. Why we are using apt? Because our client is Ubuntu and the name is UFW. It should be present, and also it is going to update the package. The next is it is going to allow SSH on port number 2222. So by default port is 22, but here I want port number 2222 should be enabled from the firewall. For that we have used community.journal.ufw, and then we have specified the rule, that is allow, and the port number, and protocol is TCP. And finally we have enabled the rule using community.journal.ufw, and the state is enabled. So that was my third role, and basically it enables and configures the firewall to allow the custom port. So friends, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture I'm going to define the main.yml file for the SSH role.